Good morning, sir. This is mock job interview and instructor Sir Romy Quintas. I'm John Patrick B. Libando, a motivated and hardworking individual who is eager to learn and grow in a professional environment. I have experience handling tasks such as organizing paperwork, communicating with others, and managing my time effectively. In school and training activities, I've learned to stay disciplined, work well with a team, and adapt quickly to new challenges. I'm looking for an opportunity where I can apply my skills, gain new experience, and contribute positively to the company. You should hire me because I bring a strong work ethic, good communication skills, and positive attitude. I'm the type of person who takes initiative, stays focused, and makes sure tasks are done properly. I believe I can contribute to your team and grow with your company.